Good morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we have a follow-up video review of the D30 Y78 Smartwatch. And this time we are going to explore the menus and different features of the D30 Smartwatch. Okay, it is a Fit Pro based smartwatch, very affordable. It looks like an upgrade of the Y68, the popular Y68, as well as the D20 smartwatch. Okay, so it is running, as you can see here, the support app is the Fit Pro support app, available in Android and iOS platform. If you are not familiar with the Fit Pro, the app is usually used, okay, by affordable, okay, smartwatches, okay, cheap smartwatches. So we have here the D30 Y78. Last video we have the specifications and the design of this wearable. So this time we're going to explore the menus. So if you have any questions regarding the smartwatch, just drop a comment below, and of course we will answer your queries if we do have the time. Okay, so this is a direct USB charging smartwatch, as you can see here. Okay, so we activated already the smartwatch. So it is using a touch button key here. Okay, so let's have a closer look. As you can see, we have an OLED display here. Okay, so this is the watch face. So to explore the smartwatch, just tap on the touch button key here on the bottom part. You see the circle here, tap on it, and we have this one. So automatic activity tracking with the distance, what else, steps and calories. Okay, next we have the heart rate, the blood oxygen, you notice it, and we have the blood pressure monitoring. Okay, so let's try it. Okay, let's test. Okay, so I'm going to wear it. Okay, just like this. Okay, so let's try. Let's explore. Okay, long press to activate, and it's now monitoring my heart rate, blood pressure, as well as the blood oxygen. Okay, so saturation, so let's check. Okay, taking some time, we'll see in just a few seconds. Okay, so we have 125/84 for the blood pressure. For the heart rate, we have 74 and 95% in the blood oxygen monitoring. Okay, next we have different sports here. Okay, let's check how many sports are offered. We have, I think this is walking or running. We have skipping rope, and we have sit-up. So we have at least 3 sports mode here. It is also similar to other Y68 or Fit Pro, affordable Fit Pro smartwatches and smart band. It only has 3 activity tracking or sports monitoring. We have message notifications. Okay, you have an option to read the messages right in the wearable. We have music control and more. Let's say we have sleep monitoring. So this one is weather. Okay, we have camera. We have anti-lost. We have reset. We have the QR code, and of course the power off button. Okay, I don't know if you can change the watch face here. Seems like we don't have any options. Let's check again in the more section. We have music control here. Okay, let's see, do we have an option? We have remote control for camera, reset, Fit Pro, QR code, and the power off button. Okay, so seems well like we don't have an option here, a menu for the watch face, but we'll see if we pair it with the Fit Pro app. Okay, let's check if we do have a watch face section that can change or replace the watch face, the default watch face here in our D30 Y78 smartwatch. As you can see, a very simple wearable running in the Fit Pro app. Okay, it is somewhat similar to other Fit Pro wearable, Fit Pro base wearable. Okay, so at least we have heart rate, blood oxygen, and heart rate monitoring. Okay, let's check again. Let's verify here for the heart rate. Long press. Okay, seems like it's also is working. It's scanning. We'll see if we're going to get a random result for this one. Okay, the disappointing part for this one is it only has 3 sports. Okay, for the past 2 years, I think they are offering Fit Pro based smartwatches and smartband are offering at least 3 sports monitoring only. I do hope that in the next iteration of wearables that runs the Fit Pro Support App, they will have at least additional sports tracking. Okay, so again, let's take a look at the design here. Okay, we have the smartwatch, okay, available in different color options. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding this wearable, okay, and if you are planning to buy one, you can ask some questions here at Smartwatch Specifications YouTube channel. Okay, please like, share, and subscribe so we can bring you more new wearables in the market. Okay, a review of wearables in the market. Okay, again, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Bye.